I'm going to be talking about the Ulanzi smartphone video kit. Oh, nice case. Quite nice. Got your handle here. The mic. Oh, with the mic cover. Very nice. Indoor pop filter. Your camera holder. Different adapters. Next thing we'll do is we'll film this in action. Got a nice nice pouch for carrying everything in. And your instructions. Scent bag, very necessary. You want it to smell nice, right? I also purchased a lavalier microphone with a 16-foot cable. This is the test with the lavalier microphone. This is a sound test without the Ulanzi microphone. This recording is with the Ulanzi microphone. The Ulanzi smartphone video kit whether vlogging in the studio or vlogging in the park, it's a great alternative. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy this video, hit the thumbs down. But either way, hit that subscribe button so you can be notified of upcoming videos. My thoughts on the Ulanzi cell phone kit, I like it. It gives me a freedom I never had before. You know, I could just, can't do that with a webcam. I will leave links below for all the products in this show.